welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday fun day. As you can tell, I'm feeling so much better. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, and right now I'm going to breakfast because I am starving and I've been craving a coffee for like the past 3 days, and right now I'm gonna get the best coffee of my life. Oh yeah, exactly what I was waiting for. Got my little coffee. Smells so freaking good. Breakfast was amazing, and I didn't show you guys because I was so hungry and I ate it fast. Alright guys, I'm back home right now, and I decided I'm finally gonna start my project that I've been trying to do for the longest time ever since I moved into this apartment. Try to put my desk area together. Most of it, I still need a few things I want to buy to get this area like how I want it, but I'm gonna show you guys my desk area, and I'm gonna show you what I already did and what I want to do with it. I've been feeling sick for the past maybe week and a half, and I finally feel like I'm getting better, and I feel like I can vlog and have more energy to do stuff. So I hope this is interesting for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and like always, let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see in the next videos. But let me show you what the desk area looks like right now. Okay, so far in this area, what I've done is put up these shelves with the help of my boyfriend, of course. And this is what my new desk looks like. My new desk. I need to get rid of this TV and hang it up somewhere else in the room, but for now it's just chilling there. But I do want to remove that today. So this is a little space that I'm going to decorate and put together. So I already did buy a few things that I want to put on these shelves. So I'm going to show you guys what I got so far. And then I also got something on Amazon in the mail yesterday, so I'm also going to show you that. But first, let me take this TV down. Much better already. Okay, so first of all, I do want to say that this area, I want to make it very like Pinterest vibey. So it's going to be a lot of black, white, and a little bit of gold. So far, this is what I have. I have my calendar. I got this at Target, and I believe it was like $5. So I feel like that was pretty cheap. I got it in that little dollar section at the entrance. And then I already put this up. I already had it up. I got these little hooks. Hold on, focus. I got these little gold hooks at Target as well. And let me show you how it came. So it was actually this little packet of gold hooks, and I believe this was like $4. So I put that hook up already, and my calendar is gonna go right there. And you just got a little sneak peek of other things. But yeah, I just put this calendar right here. I think it's gonna be perfect. It's like at perfect chair level to look at it and remind myself what I have to do for the day. Next thing I got is, what I'm so excited for, is to fill this place up with plants because I'm like obsessed with them. So I got this little plant at IKEA. I think this was like $2 or $3, I don't really remember. It is a fake plant, but it looks so real to me, so I thought it was really cute. And I got this little plant, which I'm gonna set up on the shelf eventually. I also got this little lighthouse thing. I don't even know if there's an actual name for these things, little lighthouse. But you basically can put a candle in here. I'm probably gonna buy fake candles because I don't know, it's just gonna last forever. So I'm gonna buy a little candle, and I think this is just so cute. It's gonna add a lot to my little shelf. Next, I got this little plant at Target, also in the dollar section. I don't remember how much this was, but I think it was $3, which I feel like is kind of a ripoff, but I got it months ago and I think it's gonna go perfect in my desk area. It's black and it has like a little gold rim right here. I think it's so cute. I also got this in the dollar section. It's just like a little lift thing. I'm not sure what I'll put on here, maybe like a candle or something. But this was only $1 at Target. I got this little tree right here. I thought this was so cute. Like, it's also a little fake tree, but I think it is so cute. And it has like the little grass right here and everything. I got this guy at the 99-cent store, and it was, oh, I still have the tag right here. It was $1.49. So on Amazon, I got these little wire rack rail things. I don't know what they're called either, but they're basically, you just like hang it on the wall. And I really wanted this because I saw these on like pictures on Pinterest and they looked really cute. So I'm gonna hang that up today. And I also bought gold binder clips to like put little notes or like pictures on this thing. So my little plants are up. Obviously I need so much more that's gonna go up there. Like, I want to get some frames and stuff, but that's just what I have for now. I will obviously update you guys when I get more stuff and like finish the whole thing. But for now, that's just what I got for the shelves, and I'm about to put the little rails on the wall, so okay, so my little wire things are now up. Let me show you what they look like. I ended up using these little gold metal hooks, and then that's it. Obviously, when everything else is put together, it's gonna look so much better, but this is what it looks like right now. I am low-key loving this thing so much. I already put up a picture as well. But yeah, I think it looks really cute. However, this calendar was hanging on this wall right here, and I had to take it down because I needed all 4 hooks to like put this thing up. So I had to remove the calendar from there so that these things could go up. So I think I'm just gonna go, not today obviously, but I'm gonna go buy more of these golden hooks and just put the calendar later up. I really just wanted to have this thing up today and I got it. So I'm probably gonna do the calendar a different day. But yeah, I think it's looking cute so far. What do you guys think? I didn't realize how much stuff I'm gonna need to make this area super cute. But I also have a whiteboard. Ignore what this says. But I also have a whiteboard. So I'm thinking of maybe putting this up right here. Maybe it's too much, I don't know. Here also, these have drawers and I just have a mess. So I need to get those cleaned out, and I'm also gonna show you guys when I organize all of that, and that's what I'm super excited for. But yeah, and it is now 3:30 p.m. I'm about to have my first meal after breakfast, and low-key I am so hungry. I am starving. And I'm gonna show you my food, but it looks a little bit gross, but I swear it's not. So it's a salad somewhere down there with some chicken, a little bit of beans, a little bit of rice, and I put some lemon in it, and it has some Asian dressing as well, or vinaigrette. But yeah, this is what I'm having for lunch slash dinner, because I think I'm gonna be hungry again, and I'll probably eat something else later on. But I'm about to go watch the Super Bowl in my living room, and yeah, let's watch and enjoy. OMG, just finished watching the halftime show from the Super Bowl, and I gotta say, this was probably my favorite show I have ever watched. My two favorite ladies, J-Lo and Shakira, on stage was beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section, what you thought, if you watched the halftime show, what you thought about it. But personally, I think it was amazing. I'm gonna hop in the shower now. I waited because I was about to go in the shower, but then I heard that it was about to start, so I'm gonna go in the shower, and pretty much I'm just gonna end my night here. I just need to prepare my lunch and pretty much just chill for the rest of the night, start a new day tomorrow. It's gonna be my first day back at the gym after being sick for so long, so I'm super excited. My diet is about to go back on check again. So in the next video you will see a new update of my weight and a gym session. I will probably be hitting legs tomorrow, which is nothing new, but if you are interested to see that, stay tuned for the next video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, I love you.